Good afternoon, everybody. Hope everyone's having a good week so far and has a good rest of their week. Gonna get into it here. I did have some complications with technology, so I don't know why some of the stories won't let me gain access to them. So I'm just gonna give you the headline and just kind of some of the stuff that I know about it. But right now we'll start with this one. Governor extends current public health orders through August 15th. So Governor Mark Gordon announced that Wyoming's current public health orders will remain in place through August 15th as cases of COVID-19 continue to rise in the state. I'm not surprised by this myself. I told my parents, we were talking about it, and I told them, I wouldn't be surprised just to see it get extended again a couple weeks, till it gets under control. So, so just, keep following the public health orders, wearing a mask, social distance, stay safe, all that good stuff. So on to the next one. So I'm sure people have heard rumors about this. I know I did. I heard rumors about it last week. But the sheriff's office confirms rumors of bestiality investigation. So, in fact, I had a Zoom meeting for my internship through the university this morning with some other mentors from the Casper Star, and one of their the editor was working on this right before the meeting. So, but yeah, so that has been confirmed. If you guys have access and do have a subscription to the online thing, for our website, you can read this. I have one. I don't know the password. I forgot it, and I forgot the email that I was using. So, I currently can't read this. I would like to, but, I can get on and read it, but, on our software. But, this is on our website. If you have access to it, you can go ahead and give it a read. It's on our news, page. So on to the next one. It's another one I didn't have any access to, but Green River Nursing Home has no additional COVID-19 cases, which is good. Last week they had an employee test positive, and so far they haven't had any additional cases rise from that. So hopefully it stays that way, and people can kind of rest easy knowing their family members are getting taken care of. Okay, now some of the stories that I got full access to. Wyoming Cut Slam promises adventure and clout. This is out of Cheyenne, I believe. I don't know where this was. Yeah. There's a picture here. And the caption is, "The Wyoming Cut Slam challenges anglers to catch Wyoming's 4 subspecies of cutthroats: Bonneville, Colorado River, Snake River, and Yellowstone, in their respective native ranges." Myself, I think I have caught in the Snake River cutthroat, Colorado River, and so I'm only 2 away. I probably could finish it. Maybe next summer. That's what I'll do. I'll go and try and catch the last 2 species of cutthroats. I gotta see where the Bonneville one is, though. Maybe I caught that this weekend. I spent some time fly fishing in a different part of the state I've never fished. So, just read this first couple paragraphs here. Some Wyoming anglers are a cut above the rest. What sets these special 1,743 men and women apart from the crowd? They've completed the Wyoming Cut Slam, one of the most sought-after achievements for any trout angler. The Cut Slam challenges anglers to catch Wyoming's 4 subspecies of cutthroats: Bonneville, Colorado, Snake River, and Yellowstone, in their respective native regions. For trout enthusiasts, the Cut Slam is a fishing adventure, said Alan Alstred. Sorry, I hope I said your name correctly. Wyoming Game and Fish Department Chief of Fisheries. It will most certainly take anglers to remote places in Wyoming where they've never been before, through spectacular country and, of course, the wonderful fishing waters. So that's pretty cool. I being a big fly fisherman myself. I wouldn't say big. I enjoy it. I don't fly fish a lot. I'm more of a hunter. But I know a lot of people who are trying to do this, and they go to some pretty wild places to try and catch some trout. So if you guys are interested in this, probably hop on the Game Fish website and figure out the regions for each species and start planning a trip to try and get it done. Next little thing here, hunting seasons to go on as normal, Wyoming Game Fish Director says. So fall hunting seasons will go forward as planned without pandemic-related restrictions, according to the Wyoming Game Fish Director Brian Nesvik. I hope I said your name correctly. Per Wyoming statute, the Wyoming Game Fish Commission retains authority to change rules on bag limits, hunting seasons, and license allocations for any reason, including public health emergency. Yeah, that's basically it. So, I actually, this has been a big conversation between me and all my friends who hunt, wondering if this was going to affect anything. I didn't think it would, just because, Wyoming's pretty remote. A lot of people who do hunt can be away from people. Last year it seemed like we were alone all the time. Yeah, we saw other hunters, but they were like, you'd see them on the other side of the canyon from you. So I'm not surprised by this, just because, there's a lot of places in Wyoming where it's pretty remote and you can get away from people. So, you really don't have to worry about it as much. But the only interesting thing for me that I was thinking about was the impact this might have on guides and outfitters. I didn't know if they decided to cut back on that, or even open up some of those areas where they say they need guides, non-residents need guides, and maybe they open them up and they're like, you guys can go on because of this, or something like that. I don't know, but it sounds like nothing's going to change. So it's just going to be a normal fall here in Wyoming, and it might help our economy a little bit. Who knows? We'll see when that comes. So just going to jump into the COVID numbers for Wyoming and then the global. Lab confirmed cases, we have 2,136. Recovered cases, there's 1,615. There's 453 probable cases, 355 recovered, and 26 deaths. So over the weekend somebody else did pass away from COVID-19. Sweetwater County has 214 lab confirmed cases, 6 in the last 24 hours, and 505 per 100,000 residents. There's been a number of 14 numbers of probable cases, 181 confirmed recovered cases. 168 of those recovered cases are lab confirmed and 13 probable. And Sweetwater County still has only 2 deaths. Alright, just some quick global numbers, I guess. So roughly globally there's 16.5 million cases, little over 4.3 million cases in the US. Those are lab confirmed. And then death-wise, globally there's a little over 655,000, and in the US there's 148,298 deaths. So, looking at the trend here, it's still going up worldwide and globally, but the US is definitely leading the race in that. But hope everybody has a great week. Stay safe, wash their hands, wears a mask, does whatever they need to do. And have a good week. Stay safe, have a great week at work, make somebody smile, and be nice to one another. And who knows, talk to a stranger. You might make a new friend. Yeah. Alright, have a good week, everybody. See you on Friday.